Where's your toy? Go get your toy. Go get your toy. Here. Get your toy. Here. That's his favorite toy. Get your toy. Where you going? Get your toy. Get your toy. What happened? Where's your button? Let's see, where's your button? Oh, over here. Where is it? Where's his button? Oh, right here. So he's learning to use these buttons.
Yo, Cane gets more views than us.
Let me see.
You heard?
Uh-huh.
Cane gets a lot of views.
Look. Come on. What's this? What's that button? Push it. Push it. Come on. He still don't want to press this button. So we have this button that we're trying to teach him to communicate through. So you press it and you put the voice and it says, Mom, come here. And then we have another one that says, let's go bye-bye. So this is the one that says, Mom, come here. And we have this other button here that says, let's go bye-bye. So he presses it whenever he wants to go outside. And whenever he wants me to come to him, he'll press this. So we put it inside his cage there so that, you know, he can press it whenever he wants me to come to him. But right now, he doesn't seem to want to press it because I'm already here. Here, Cane. Here. Press it. Press the button. Press the button. What, you want a toy? Press the button.
Mom, come here.
Mom, come here. Cane, come here.
No.
Oh, and by the way, this is our bird. I rescued him when he was a tiny, tiny baby, and I hen fed him. He's like, what, 2 months now? We had 2 of them, but now we have 1. So, yeah. Come on. What?
No.
Come on. Come on. Here. Get the toy. Oh, why is the camera not focusing right? Let me see. Why is it doing that? I don't understand. Oh, there it goes.
Huh?
Cane. You don't want to press the button? Press the button.
It goes
Here.
when I'm playing the game.
Give me the toy. Give me that toy. Give me that toy.
Call of Duty?
Give me that toy. Give me that toy. Give me that toy. Give me that toy. Good boy. So as you can see, he still needs the cage, although he is now 13 months. The reason for that is because he literally takes everything and breaks it. He used to do cables. He actually, between him and the other dog, they ate through the cable for the Optimum.
Good night.
Internet, I mean.
Now you can press
And
that button,
now we have to have them put it up on top versus at the bottom.
Yeah.
So he's he's picking up some weight now too. His muscles are really starting to show. I don't know if he's gonna be one of those bulky Cane Corsos, but he's starting to grow into his way. Wait, puppy, wait, come, sit. 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 What I said? What did I say? No, 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 no. What did I say? Sit. What I said? Cane? Cane, no playing. No. No. He wants me to play with him, so he's still at that puppy stage where he just wants to play. Oh, now he's saying, Mom, come here. See, he pressed the button. It said, Mom, come here. No, I don't want to come and play with you. He wants me to come and play with him, so he presses the button. Well, at least you guys saw him press the button. All right. See y'all later, guys. If you like this video, like and share.